What does Advent mean? Advent means the arrival or beginning of something important. In simple words, Advent means the coming of something new. The word is often used when a major event, idea, or technology appears for the first time. For example, the advent of the Internet changed the world. This means the arrival of the Internet brought major changes. Advent can also be used in religion. In Christianity, Advent is the period before Christmas when people prepare to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is a time of waiting and preparation. Here are more example sentences. The advent of smartphones transformed communication. The advent of modern medicine improved healthcare. People celebrate Advent in December before Christmas. In simple terms, Advent means the arrival or beginning of something important. Easy way to remember. Advent means the coming of something new.